To me, it looks like a massive toothbrush.
Well, I'm trying to keep it simple as much as you can for people at home. So this is a very simple brush for the skin. So you can massage the thigh from upside, from down to up,
okay,
to increase the circulation.
Okay.
So they can use this before they take a shower or bath, either in dry skin or wet skin.
Right.
It depends how they can take it. So this is actually do two things: exfoliate the skin, so it becomes softer, and then increase the circulation in the thigh.
Right.
So it will prevent cellulites in the future. And it's very simple to use, and you don't wait until the cellulites happen.
Right.
Because I think most of the women have cellulitis, so start as early as possible.
Right.
Yeah, and just to try to avoid it. So if the circulation is good in the thigh, the skin is moisturized and hydrated, most probably you can avoid it as much as you can.
Oh, interesting, interesting. And I like this because it's just a very, like say, one is with a massager, one is with a brush. Is
yeah,
that
it's
right?
a brush. Yeah, it's a brush for the thigh.
Brush for the thigh.
Yeah.
And then would you use the same thing on, so if you had it on your arms,
yeah, of course.
on any other
it's
part,
for
just
your
same
body,
process? Yeah. And what's the recommended, I mean, how long would one keep massaging?
There is no exact time, as everyone is different, but I would say average 1 to 2 minutes in each area.
22 minutes?
1 to 2.
Oh, 1 to 2. Sorry, 1 to 2. Oh, okay.
No, 1 to 2.
That's a long
no,
time.
No, it's just like 5 minutes in all your body or something. It's enough.
Right. And daily or?
Not daily, but like 2-3 times a week. It's fine.
Okay.